So guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'll be talking about self-reliance and growth. Self-reliance and growth. You understand? As a workman, you need to rely on yourself in order for you to grow. You understand? Even though you don't get big tools, you don't have a big shop, or you don't have support, that's not an excuse. Just start. You understand? The thing is just that you should start something. Start practicing that thing you learn. Start putting it into work. That's where you start from. That's your foundation. You understand? You don't have to be waiting for till you need to get somebody that will support you, or till you have a big tool, or till you get your desire to know. Just start with the minor one you have. You understand? That one where you get, where you start, then you bring money, then you accumulate the money where you just get the bigger one of your dream. You understand? And in this video, our number one basic topic is starting small. You understand? You need to start small. You should not be waiting for a big kick, a big kickoff or something like that. Just start small. Start with that little one where you get. Just the time, gradually. So fast you know what they do. You understand? So fast you know what they do. Start small, and especially for my wedding guys, my welder guys out there. Just start small. Even though you get wedding machine, you get one wedding machine and turn with one grinding machine. Just use and start. You understand? Small home service, small maintenance for gates, small doing small welding jobs. You could gather some money where you go and make out something big. It not necessarily mean say you go get one big shop or you go get one. Everybody starts from somewhere, so start small. Don't forget that one. That's the number one. And number two thing is using limited tools wisely. Using limited tools wisely. That tools all those tools then where you get, all those tools then where you say you get. You use them wisely. All those minor ones where you get, where you use the start. You use them wisely. Don't be say this one will come, dig will come, say borrow me, you go borrow. Don't will come, say borrow me, you go borrow. Before you know borrow, person go mishandle your tools and you go spoil. Something will not be person. They don't sabi the maintenance. Most people know they sabi the maintenance, will not be their own. So start managing those things where you get. You understand? Using them wisely, manage them. You understand? Learn how to manage those tools. So the good day, you understand, strong and okay for you, for your own use. She gets, because I don't think that now they sustain you, now they make your work they move. Without those tools, you don't get what they do. So number two thing, start using limited tools wisely. And number three thing is that you should start learning from your mistakes. Most of us don't learn from our mistakes, and I will tell you this: most of us don't learn from our mistakes. Start learning from your mistakes. That's that mistake what you do today. Use and learn. No see I say na error, this one. No. Learn from it. Now what will make you a wise person? Learn from that mistake. Maybe you do a job wrong, you do work wrong, and customer complains, say you do this work wrong, blah 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 blah. Now see customer and I go see settle. Once you settle, learn from that mistake. Maybe another time with something like that one occur, you're gonna say this kind of thing don't occur. We'll see what the result to. You gonna know how you go take bypass that mistake. You understand? Now what make they talk say sufferings are lessons for those that want to learn. So start learning from your mistake. That place where you do mistake today, use and get correction from what's going to happen the next time. In case if something like that happen the next time, you're going to say, see, I will take bypass this and say I will take correct myself in this kind of thing, because it don't happen to me before. I don't gain experience from it. You understand? And it also goes that experience is the best teacher. If you know they learn from your mistake, bro, if you know they learn from your mistake, you still a lag behind. You still get a long way to go in life. Start learning from your mistake. Start learning from your mistake. Maybe you do a job wrong, or one thing, you do something wrong. You start look at that thing, look at it like 2 times or 3 times. Learn from it. Maybe next time when something like that will work, you say, I don't do something like this, so now so the mistake they come aside, you see I will take correct myself. You understand? So you have to learn. She grab. Life is all about learning. You continue learning never ends. So that's the deal for today's video. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, may follow my channel. If they follow my channel, they learn. No, they watch my video, may they follow my channel. May they subscribe, may they drop your comments. Until now.